Hey bro, want to make extra cash by selling your old clothes, shoes, or accessories? In today's video, I will show you how to make money with Vinted even if you are a complete beginner. I will cover everything from setting up your account to making sales faster. Let's get started. First of all, download the Vinted app or visit their website. Sign up with your email or use Google, Facebook for quick access. Then customize your profile. Use a clear profile picture and write a friendly bio so buyers can trust you. Now solve the puzzle. Don't forget to enable notifications so you never miss messages or offers. Now let's list your first item. Click on Sell Now button, then take clear photos, use natural lighting. Show different angles and highlight any flaws. Write a detailed title and description instead of black stylish watch. Choose the right price. Search similar items on Vinted to set a competitive price. You can also enable neotization to attract buyers. Select category like electronics, wearable smartwatches, then brand name, size, condition, colors, etc. Shipping options. Vinted provides prepaid shipping labels, so choose the one that works best for you. Select category from here and be honest about the condition, whether it's new, good, or used. Want to sell faster? Here are some pro tips. List items on Sunday or Monday. That's when people shop the most. Use keywords. This helps your listing show up in search results. Bundle discounts. Offer discounts for multiple items to encourage bigger sales. Be responsive. Answer messages quickly to build trust with buyers. Once you get a sale, Vinted will send you a shipping label. Just print it, pack the item neatly, and drop it off at the shipping point. Use bubble wrap for fragile items. And always keep proof of postage in case of issues. Vinted holds your money until the buyer confirms that they received the item. Once confirmed, the funds will be available in your Vinted wallet. You can you can then withdraw it to your bank or PayPal. Avoid common beginner mistakes like don't accept payment outside Vinted, don't ship without using Vinted's label, be honest about item conditions to prevent refunds. Always follow Vinted's rules To keep your account safe, for payment, click on profile icon, then settings, then click leave. From the left side bar, click on payment section, then add your card or bank account, like account holder's name, account number, routing number for international transaction, account type checking or saving, and address. So that's it. Now you know how to make money on Vinted like a pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments what's the first item you will sell. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.